Hello my lovely viewers! In today's video you will see an update on all my orchids, the watering process of all of them, or at least some of them. So one of the updates is that I changed the media in all my orchids. So I changed the media with clay pebbles, and as you can see they are made by clay and they have a lot of holes, and this will retain water when you water them and will keep moisture. I've done that with all my orchids, so now all of them are changing the clay pebble media. Unfortunately I didn't record that. It's the same process, you just take everything off, be careful with the roots, and trim. If the roots became a bit bigger, I just trim them a bit and then slowly and gently place them back in the glass and arrange the clay pebbles around. So that was kind of the whole process. This is the centerpiece orchid on my display. This orchid is doing great. It's unbelievable. I have 2 spikes of flowers. This is the older one that has done his job. The flowers were amazing, very beautiful, and I want to keep it, so I kept it to see what's happening. I know that he has a lot of going on, so he has a second spike of flowers and a new leaf here, so he has a lot of energy to consume for the new leaf to grow and for the flowers. Yeah, he's doing great, so let's water it a bit. It's time to go back on the display and do his job, just be amazing. I have here another amazing orchid that is in full bloom. Look at the amazing colors in the flowers, so nice. It's time to water as well. It's doing great, besides the fact that somehow one of the bloom decided to dry. You see this yellow one here? I don't know how to show it, so it's right here. I don't know what's happening, but somehow I have, I think, 3 of them that has this problem. I don't know, but it's looking amazing. It's so beautiful and will make me happy. It's time to water. Clean the vase and the leaves a bit. Again, because he's in a full bloom and it has plenty of flower, no, I will skip it. I will skip the orchid mist. Go back on the display and carry on his amazing job to just be. Can you see how beautiful it is? How many blooms we have? On this lovely orchid, such a beautiful color. Look at the flowers. I just water it with rainwater, and I will skip the orchid mist just because it is in a full bloom. It has plenty of flowers and has enough energy. And because this one doesn't have any flower, any bloom, any spikes, I will use the orchid mist to just give it a bit of boost. So all the time I make sure that I shake it before I apply it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm done. Clean a bit. And it's ready to go back on the display. This one is so tiny, but it's doing amazing. We have new roots, we have a new leaf, so amazing. Another new roots on this side. So it's time to water. Not too much, because it's small, and also I don't want the water to be kept on the bottom. So sometimes I do turn it upside down and use a basin and take the extra. Again, orchid mist being small and tiny, a little bit of boost. I don't know if you remember, I told you that the orchids don't like to have water here, so I make sure that there's no water kept here in between the last two leaves on top. They don't like to have water there. Amazing, done. This is my update, so thank you so much for all the support.